Drag a copy is one of ActivInspire's most versatile features. Use it for labeling, categorizing, practicing numbers, letters, and more. It's a quick way to create engaging activities for students. You can use it to replicate any objects within your flip chart. To apply Drag a Copy, select an object and right-click. Choose Drag a Copy from the menu. You can be in presentation mode or design mode to apply Drag a Copy, but to verify the effect has been applied, in design mode, hover over the object. A tiny hand with a green plus sign indicates Drag a Copy is in effect. Give it a try. To remove Drag a Copy, right-click the object once more and deselect Drag a Copy from the menu.